We are Marta and Garrity, a Canadian couple who 1 year ago bought 2.5 acres of vacant land in northern Ontario in hopes to turn it into our dream cabin. As our own general contractors, we've been pushing to get the cabin move-in ready as we leave our city life behind. From excavation to foundation and framing, we managed to get dried in just in the nick of time before a long, hard winter. Hit subscribe to follow our journey and welcome to our channel. Good news, we passed our vapor barrier inspection, so we have permission to continue drywalling. There's still a lot going on. Our stove's being installed. It's almost ready. He's just up on the roof. They started to put up some of the drywall and the cement board for where the wood oven stove is going to be. We bought a pretty small wood oven stove, but it's supposed to heat enough, I think 1,200 square feet, which is more than enough, plus our propane heating, so it should be fine. We didn't want to take up too much space because our living room is small, and that's also going to be installed today, so lots of things going on in the house, and I'll take you along to show you the progress.
I'm fed up with changes. Come pick me up cause I just wanna see the light. I wanna be weightless. Teach me to fly, I won't be coming down. Could somebody wake me up? I don't wanna be here and let the world pass me by. Yeah. I just see her face wherever I look. She's standing in the crowd. So let go, I don't want to, but I'm gonna try. When she left me, yeah, let a little bit inside. You know, maybe things are gonna be alright. Cause I just wanna see the light.
So we're using cement board for behind where our wood stove's going to go. So Tom is just installing that now.
Watching the stars and the city lights. Right from the start, said we never grow apart, dear Wichita. You wanted me to know, never ever let you go, dear Wichita. Surrounded by colors, it's such a sight. Watching all the lovers fall into the night. All the moods in a heartbeat.
Somehow, every time we have something on the roof, it's snowing. There's our chimney.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking. We're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted cause I got you. I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds got in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware. Oh, I got you. there's no reason to chasing payment on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you.
Change or no?
Eventually, there is one in the back that has a bit of a crack in it just from shipping there, and the style of them anyways is the ones from Home Hardware.
Oh, okay. First fire, so exciting. Really happy with the size and the look of this.
Fire, don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. Then tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't wanna let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go.
We are just headed for some Chinese takeout in town, and we're gonna eat it by our new fireplace or wood burning stove, so we're excited. It's been snowing all day and it hasn't let up. The roads here get really bad. I think I will stay nestled in the house in next winter when there's snowstorms. I'll show you the road and what we're driving in. Good morning. You can see there was a huge snowstorm. There is a ton of snow. I've been shoveling at least the deck area so we have some room to work, but the roads aren't plowed, so we're not trying to go anywhere today. We're going to continue with boxing to prepare and probably do some drywall sheets. Our chimney or wood stove has been keeping us nice and warm. We actually turned down the furnace, which is exciting. And yeah, feels like home now.
She said I won't be back in a while. Don't wait. Already packed her bags, called a cab, made space. And she said I won't answer if you call me when you're lonely. I guess I let her go. Never mind, it's too late. But I can't believe I let you slip. I think about it 7 days a week, and this just can't be how it's supposed to end up. It's not enough.
Once you get buzzing on drywall, it's actually so fun.
Honey, you are my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive.